Everyone says newer is better, but after the Reno 12, Oppo's recent releases have me questioning that. Let us see this Oppo Reno 13 with the Oppo Reno 12. Oppo Reno 13 features a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 processor and paired with 12 gig RAM and 512 storage. It has this big charger, 80 watts, and Type-C. Those are the things that come with it, and the pouch. I have with me here the Oppo Reno 13 and the Oppo Reno 12. Honestly, I don't know if I would say that this 13 is an upgrade, because look at this. This 12 is just so beautiful. While this 13 is actually beautiful, but to me, this one looks, look at, is a curved screen, while this is just like the box. So it seems like after the Oppo Reno 12, Oppo moved away from curved displays to a flatter, boxier design, with the Oppo Reno 13, 14, and 15 in that box design direction. For a while, it looked like Oppo had completely phased out curved screens in the Oppo lineup. But interestingly, with the Oppo Reno 15 Pro, they actually brought the curved display back. So it's not a question of they are phasing out curved screen and they don't, curved screen is no longer in vogue. I think it's the price, is the, curved screen. I know it is more expensive to maintain and all of that. That is why they had stopped it. And so having this curved screen in my Oppo Reno 12, why would I want to upgrade? Yes, Oppo Reno 13 is said to have enhanced AI features for better image processing, but I feel that is on paper, because testing the cameras, I disagree. So let me quickly check the camera of both. Are you seeing what I am seeing? Okay, this looks dark. Let me increase the brightness. Okay, it's already so look at the camera. Look at that. Look at this. The Oppo Reno 12 is still beating this 13 hands down. I've been at my eyes. I don't know. Look at it. Just take a look. Take a look. You be the judge. I don't know. I think you should be the judge, right? Because this one has a color and this is whiter. This one has more color. This is whiter. I mean, the 12 is whiter, while this has more color. So if you ask me, I'll go for this 12 any day, anytime. They both have 512 gig. Storage wise, they are doing the same job, and that is that. So let me know, Oppo, is this supposed to be an improvement? Is there something I'm missing? Because they are both, this is not Reno 12F, this is not 13F. They are both 12 and 13. So why does it look like this is giving more than this? The prices were also about the same price. So what's actually changed? Let me know what you think in the comment section, and please do subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.